This is going to be your next favorite stir fry recipe, and we are going to be making a very delicious sausage and potato stir fry recipe, which is going to take less than 30 minutes to cook, and the outcome is going to be crispy potatoes coated with a very nice umami flavor. The sausages are going to be well cooked, and because we're going to be making a coleslaw side, it's going to complete the entire dish, and every mouthful is going to be amazing. We are going to start off by frying our potatoes, and I've peeled around 5 medium potatoes that I've cut up into small cubes. Also, I've prepped up several ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. So let's get making this delicious stir fry. So I'm going to place a pot over medium flame. Wait for around 30 seconds to a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot. Prepping up ingredients ahead is always the trick when it comes to stir fries because they are always so fast to cook. Check if the cooking oil is ready. You're going to insert one potato. Once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready. Carefully place in my potatoes. Use my skimmer and toss the potatoes into the cooking oil, and immediately you add in the potatoes into the pan. The temperature of the oil is going to drop, so you're going to avoid overcrowding so that the potatoes don't get soggy. Fry your potatoes for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the potatoes are crispy. In between, you're going to use your skimmer to toss the potatoes so that they can fry on all sides. This is after 4 minutes, and my potatoes are getting that lovely color, and also they are getting crispy. So now I'm ready to make my stir fry. So I'm going to pick a pan and place over medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil, and because my potatoes are ready, I'm going to use my skimmer to shake off the excess oil. They're looking so delicious. Transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. Introduce the flames a little bit. Oh yum! I love when potatoes are frying. The aroma in the kitchen is always so good. So once done, I'm going to reduce the flames to low. Then I'm going to drop in my sausages carefully into the cooking oil. Fry for around 30 seconds because my sausages are ready to eat, and once ready, I'm going to put out the flames, and this is how they should be looking. So I'm going to transfer to the potatoes, and into my pan I'm going to add in 1 onion that is finely diced. Stir your onions and cook for around 30 seconds until the onions are soft. When they are cooking, I'm going to add in 1 large carrot that is chopped into half moons. Stir in. Toss the carrots together with the onions. Then next you're going to add in the seasoning. I'm going to add in 2 beef seasoning cubes. You can also use chicken or vegetable stock cubes. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, which I absolutely love. Toss the seasoning together with the onions and carrot. And if you notice that your onions are burning, you can reduce the flames to low so that everything can slowly cook. While my onions are cooking together with the carrots, I'm going to slice up my sausages. Once everything is ready, I'm going to add in my sausages, my potatoes. Oh yum! This is going to be so delicious, I can tell. Toast everything. Just look at that. Then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. Toss everything together. I'm going to add in around a tablespoon of water. Toss the potatoes, sausages together with the delicious onions, which are very flavorful. And then you're going to cook for around a minute. If you notice that your pan is drying out, add in a tablespoon of more water, or you can reduce the flames to medium low. While my potatoes are cooking, I'm going to be making a very simple coleslaw recipe, and I've shredded around 1 cup of cabbage, adding carrots, onions that are finely sliced, add in a tiny pinch of salt. Mix everything until the cabbage, carrots, onions, and the mayonnaise are fully combined. You can add in some more mayonnaise if you notice that it's not enough. Add in some capsicum, a tiny pinch of salt. My coleslaw is ready and it's looking amazing, and also my sausage and potato stir fry is just lit. So I'm going to serve, show you how delicious everything is looking. The coleslaw has turned out perfect. It's creamy, flavorful, well seasoned, and delicious. And let's talk about the potatoes and sausage stir fry. It's so good. It's delicious. We have a very nice umami flavor. The veggies are not overcooked. The potatoes have a little bit of crunch. That means that they are not overcooked. And I'm ready to dig in. So I'm going to try out my coleslaw. Oh yum, I absolutely love coleslaw. That's what I'm talking about. It's so good. With some potatoes, sausage. Perfect.